Japan, a land where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology, is a dream destination for many travelers. But if you're a beginner, navigating this vibrant culture can feel overwhelming. That's why we've put together the ultimate guide to help you embark on your Japanese adventure with confidence. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 essential tips and tricks that every first-time traveler should know before setting foot in this fascinating country. From must-visit locations to cultural etiquette, we'll cover everything you need to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're planning to savor authentic sushi, explore serene temples, or experience the bustling streets of Tokyo, our guide will equip you with the knowledge to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of Japan. Let's dive in and discover the top 10 tips for beginner travelers in Japan. Number 10. Kyoto's Temple. Kyoto's temples, a stunning collection of over 1,600 sacred sites, embody Japan's rich spiritual heritage and architectural beauty. Ranking at number 10, these temples offer a serene escape from the bustling city life, showcasing intricate designs and tranquil gardens. Notable sites like Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion, glimmer in the sunlight, while Fushimi Inari Taisha captivates with its iconic Torii Gate pathway. The temples are not just visually striking, they also provide insight into Japan's history and culture, making them a must-visit for beginners. However, while they offer a peaceful experience, they lack the vibrant energy found in higher-ranked attractions like Tokyo's Shibuya Crossing, which pulsates with life and modernity. This contrast highlights the unique charm of Kyoto's temples, making them a perfect starting point for travelers seeking to understand Japan's spiritual essence. Number 9. The Complete Guide to Japan for Beginners. The Complete Guide to Japan for Beginners serves as an invaluable resource for first-time travelers, ranking at number 9 for its comprehensive insights and practical tips. This guide covers everything from essential phrases in Japanese to navigating public transportation, making it a perfect companion for those feeling overwhelmed by the cultural nuances. Its user-friendly layout and engaging anecdotes help demystify Japan, allowing travelers to feel more at ease. However, while it provides a solid foundation, it lacks the immersive experiences found in higher-ranked items like local food tours, which offer a deeper connection to Japan's culinary culture. The guide is essential for preparation, but for those seeking authentic interactions and flavors, exploring local cuisine takes precedence, showcasing the vibrant tapestry of Japan beyond the basics. Number 8. Japan by Rail. The Definitive Guide. Japan by Rail. The Definitive Guide is an essential tool for travelers eager to explore the country's extensive and efficient rail network, earning its spot at number 8. This guide provides detailed information on routes, schedules, and ticket options, including the coveted Japan Rail Pass, which offers unlimited travel on most trains. Its clear maps and practical tips make navigating Japan's rail system a breeze, allowing travelers to effortlessly hop between cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. However, while it excels in transportation logistics, it doesn't delve deeply into the cultural experiences found in higher-ranked items like guided city tours, which offer personal insights and local stories. This guide is perfect for planning your journey, but for those seeking a richer understanding of Japan's culture, engaging with locals through tours can elevate the travel experience significantly. Number 7. Fers Japan. Fers Japan stands out as a trusted travel companion, ranking at number 7 for its well-rounded approach to exploring the country. This guide offers in-depth coverage of major cities, hidden gems, and cultural insights, making it ideal for travelers seeking a balanced itinerary. Its detailed maps and practical advice on accommodations, dining, and attractions help streamline the travel experience, while personal anecdotes add a relatable touch. However, while it provides a comprehensive overview, it lacks the immersive, hands-on experiences found in higher-ranked items like local festivals, which allow travelers to engage deeply with Japanese culture. Fers Japan is perfect for planning and logistics, but for those looking to truly connect with the heart of Japan, participating in local events can offer a richer, more vibrant experience that transcends traditional sightseeing. Number 6. DK Eyewitness Japan. Eyewitness Japan ranks at number 6 for its visually stunning presentation and rich, informative content. This guide is renowned for its vibrant photographs and detailed illustrations, which bring Japan's landscapes, architecture, and culture to life. Each section is thoughtfully organized, providing insights into historical sites, local customs, and must-see attractions, making it an excellent resource for visual learners. However, while it excels in aesthetics and general information, it may not offer the same level of practical travel tips found in higher-ranked guides like immersive cultural experiences. DK Eyewitness Japan is perfect for inspiring wanderlust and planning your itinerary. But for those seeking hands-on engagement with Japan's unique traditions, participating in local workshops or events can provide a deeper understanding of the country's rich heritage and vibrant lifestyle. Number 5. Japan. A travel guide for first-time visitors. Japan, a travel guide for first-time visitors, secures the number 5 spot for its tailored approach to newcomers exploring this captivating country. This guide is specifically designed to ease the transition for first-time travelers, offering practical advice on everything from navigating customs to understanding local etiquette. Its straightforward layout and essential tips make it an invaluable resource for those feeling daunted by Japan's unique culture. The guide also highlights popular attractions and off-the-beaten-path experiences, ensuring a well-rounded journey. However, while it excels in accessibility and foundational knowledge, it may not delve as deeply into immersive experiences as higher-ranked items like cultural workshops. This guide is perfect for initial planning, but for travelers seeking to truly engage with Japan's rich traditions, participating in local activities can elevate their experience to new heights. Number 4. Fodor's Tokyo. Fodor's Tokyo ranks at number 4 for its in-depth exploration of Japan's bustling capital, making it an essential guide for travelers eager to dive into the city's vibrant culture. This guide offers detailed insights into Tokyo's diverse neighborhoods, from the trendy streets of Shibuya to the historic charm of Asakusa, ensuring that visitors experience the city's multifaceted personality. With expert recommendations on dining, shopping, and entertainment, Fodor's Tokyo helps travelers navigate the urban landscape with ease. Its engaging writing style and practical tips make it both informative and enjoyable to read. However, while it excels in urban exploration, it may not provide the same level of cultural immersion found in higher-ranked items like local festivals. Fodor's Tokyo is perfect for discovering the city's highlights, but for a deeper connection to Japanese culture, engaging in community events can offer a richer experience. Number 3. Lonely Planet Japan. Lonely Planet Japan secures the number 3 spot for its comprehensive and traveler-friendly approach, making it a go-to resource for adventurers exploring this captivating country. This guide is packed with detailed itineraries, practical tips, and insider knowledge, ensuring that both first-time visitors and seasoned travelers can navigate Japan with confidence. Its emphasis on off-the-beaten-path experiences allows readers to discover hidden gems, from quaint villages to stunning natural landscapes. The engaging writing style and rich cultural insights make it not just informative, but also enjoyable to read. However, while it excels in breadth and depth, it may not provide the same level of immersive experiences found in higher-ranked items like local culinary tours. Lonely Planet Japan is perfect for planning and exploration, but for those seeking a deeper connection to Japan's culinary heritage, participating in food experiences can elevate their journey significantly. Number 2. The Rough Guide to Japan. The Rough Guide to Japan earns the number 2 ranking for its in-depth analysis and practical insights, making it an indispensable resource for travelers seeking a thorough understanding of the country. This guide excels in providing detailed cultural context, historical background, and practical travel advice, ensuring that readers are well prepared for their journey. Its extensive coverage of both popular destinations and lesser-known locales allows travelers to craft a unique itinerary tailored to their interests. The Rough Guide's engaging narrative style and emphasis on local experiences set it apart, but it may not offer the same level of immersive culinary experiences found in the top-ranked item. While it serves as an excellent foundation for exploration, those looking to dive deeper into Japan's culinary scene will find that participating in local food tours can enhance their travel experience even further. Number 1. Japan Travel Guide, the Ultimate Beginner's Handbook. Japan Travel Guide, the ultimate beginner's handbook, claims the top spot for its unparalleled ability to equip first-time travelers with everything they need to navigate this enchanting country. This guide is meticulously organized, covering essential topics such as transportation, cultural etiquette, and must-see attractions, all presented in a clear and engaging manner. Its practical tips, like how to use public transport and local customs, empower travelers to feel confident and informed. Unique features, such as interactive maps and QR codes linking to additional resources, enhance the user experience. While other guides provide valuable insights, none match the comprehensive, beginner-friendly approach of this handbook. For those looking to dive deeper into Japan's rich culture, engaging in local experiences is still essential. But this guide lays the perfect foundation for an unforgettable journey through Japan's vibrant landscapes and traditions. Conclusion: in this video, we explored the top 10 Japan beginner travelers' guides, each offering unique insights and invaluable information for navigating this captivating country. From the serene temples of Kyoto at number 10, to the comprehensive Japan Travel Guide, the ultimate beginner's handbook, at number 1, each guide serves a distinct purpose in enhancing your travel experience. We highlighted essential resources like Fodor's Tokyo and Lonely Planet Japan, which provide in-depth exploration and practical tips. Whether you're looking for cultural immersion or logistical support, these guides cater to every traveler's needs. We encourage you to delve deeper into these resources and discover the wonders of Japan for yourself. Remember, the journey begins with knowledge, so equip yourself with the right tools and embark on an unforgettable adventure. Your exploration of Japan awaits. Let the adventure begin.